Given that I'm back with another give and take. Play some Nyama and Usmamani Wafetu are in studio as we're speaking right now, Wafetu, and they're working on some few projects, a few songs in here, Wafetu, that we are really excited about. It's about to shake the whole game, the whole fucking game. Everyone is excited about that collaboration. I'm just thinking now about they are good in rapping and singing R&B. So Dinet is a and it's something big for Durban actually. Just ngasho nje ukuthini bafethu. It's big for Durban, for the culture, for the hip hop scene. It's been long since we had people like that and who are collaborating in that peak kahle kahle, because they are both on their peak. It can't be like I won't mention the names, but then later you pick and now you're deciding to do some work. But they are doing it right now. And then we are very excited about that. So I want to know what you'll think, Buffett, about these two projects that are going to be dropping. I'm wrong if I say two. I don't know how many they're going to drop. Just speculating now about maybe they're going to do a back-to-back singing. We don't know, Buffett. What do you all think about this? To all here say hip hop fans, Buffett, this is the give and take. I'm very excited